Hi everyone. In this video, let me clarify what is the loading dose and how does it depend on. A loading dose depends mainly on volume of distribution of the drug. So more the volume of distribution, more is the loading dose. So if I want to calculate the formula, loading dose is equal to what is the target plasma concentration you want to achieve. That is target plasma concentration into what is the volume of distribution of the given drug divided by if the drug is given by oral route or any other route, and if they have bioavailability, the factor comes as F. Coming to maintenance dose depends on clearance. So it depends on clearance of the drug. So maintenance dose is given by what is the target plasma concentration you want to achieve into clearance of the drug, and you have to give the drug repeatedly because the name itself is telling you maintenance. You have to maintain the dose. So repeated administration of the drug is dosing interval. So target plasma concentration into clearance into dosing interval divided by if they have given bioavailability F. So this is the formula for loading dose and maintenance dose. Suppose in a patient with renal failure, what dose you need to alter? The dose what I need to alter is maintenance dose because it depends on clearance. The dose which I need not alter is loading dose because loading dose doesn't depend on volume of distribution. Coming to the another concept called clearance. Clearance is given by the formula elimination rate divided by plasma concentration. So I can also write like this: elimination rate is equal to, so plasma concentration goes here, clearance into plasma concentration. So elimination rate is clearance into plasma concentration. Now in a steady state plasma concentration, the meaning of steady state is rate of drug entry is equal to rate of drug exit. To achieve clinical steady state, you require around 4 to 5 half-lives of the drug. So rate of drug entry is nothing but the infusion rate. How fast we are giving the drug is infusion rate. And the rate of exit is nothing but the elimination rate. It's the elimination rate. So infusion rate is equal to, let us take it from here. What is the other derivation of elimination rate? Elimination rate is also given by clearance into plasma concentration. So infusion rate is equal to, it is given by the formula clearance into target plasma concentration. So this is the formula for infusion rate, clearance into plasma concentration. Suppose I want to convert that into maintenance dose. So maintenance dose is also given by infusion rate into dosing interval. Now you take the infusion rate from here. So it is nothing but clearance into how much plasma concentration you require into dosing interval. This is again the maintenance dose. Now here I am not writing F because infusion is done through IV route, so F becomes 1, that is bioavailability is 1. So you can write in infusion maintenance dose is equal to clearance into plasma concentration into dosing interval. So this is how the intervals are calculated. Now compare this maintenance dose here also. It is the same thing. Okay, so maintenance dose is equal to target plasma concentration into clearance into dosing interval divided by F. I hope that clears your confusion in pharmacokinetics. Thank you all.